Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust text font size in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and I will adjust this text font size and this text font size. Firstly, you have to click this edit option and click on this text edit option and select text. Now click on this text box and this right sidebar. Here you will find these properties. As this text box text fonts are showing here 18 and this text box 14. Simply click on this text box and drag and select all of this text box and make it 14 and see this. And press Ctrl A, you can see this whole text box. Also I make this text font size 12 and this text box font size I'll make 12. In this way you can adjust all of these text boxes font size. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.